Hi, I'm RJ Baxter with Intercap Lending with your tip of the week. Let's talk this week about the rule of 72. You might have heard people talk about this, but you don't understand exactly what it is. Basically, what the rule of 72 is, it says that you take whatever interest rate of return that you have on the investment and you divide it into 72, and that's how long it'll take to double your money. So if you have, in the example that it's shown here, if you're making 8% of your money, for example, you divide that into 72, it would take 9 years to double your money. So after 9 years, let's say you invested $1,000, you would have $2,000. So let's just plug in some things into this calculator. I just wanted to show you an example of the power of compounding interest. So let's just take an example of, let's say that you invest $100 and then another $100 each month, and your rate of return is 8%. And let's say you are 30 years old and you want to retire when you're 70. So let's say 40 years. You would have $353,000 investing just $100 a month. Now, let's say that you started when you were 20 years old and you're going to have an investment period of 50 years. $803,000. So just an extra decade of investing and compounding interest, you have essentially made more than double the amount of money for your retirement savings. So this is a great thing as a reminder for your kids, or if you're younger and you're watching this video, to start putting some money away. It doesn't take a lot. Let's put in $200 a month for 50 years, $1.6 million. So if you want to be a millionaire, you just do it a little bit at a time, and that interest compounds over time. So I hope that helps you out. Now, another great way to build wealth over time is to own real estate. So if you're thinking about buying a house, thinking about buying another house or an investment property, let's talk about it. I'm happy to answer your questions and help you to get pre-approved, and we can look at some of the numbers. Once again, my name is RJ Baxter, Intercap Lending. Have a great rest of your day.